He says in Tom and Jerry, Jerry always wins. Please welcome Toastmaster Hasi.
Good evening, Toastmasters.
Good evening.
Evaluating table topic is something crucial, and let me try to do justification on that particular rule. First, in any table topic, what I believe is we have given 2 minutes to attract your audience, convey your message, and then finally to win the voting. And how you win the voting is by building curiosity or saying something that audience have a different thought of. That's my personal opinion. And that is the best way to move on or to do any topic that is given to you. And when the table topic master tool, say at your tools. And it is called impromptu, or you are given a chance to speak to any person on a topic when you don't know anything about that. And here, the table topic master has explained the whole rule about the table topic very well, and he has given the rules, and almost all the topic were appropriate to that particular audience. Now let's move on to the first particular topic: keep your balance off Facebook. Toastmaster Roshan. Toastmaster Roshan started it in such a way that he did not answer that particular point, what his point was, whether he wanted to put his parents on or off. He started in such a way that saying why he used Facebook, he built that curiosity, moved on well, and who are the people who he actually connects to Facebook. And then he moved on. At the end, something was missing. That is, he said that he don't add his parents. What exactly that point is, maybe he wanted to hide it from us. Or if that closing was as good as when you started, it would have added much more better value to that. Next person, Toastmaster Kashan.
Guest Kashan.
Guest Kashan, sorry. He is going to be a Toastmaster very soon. That's what he has told. When you are a guest, to be here, that itself is a courage that is shown. And you have shown that courage. You were here for more than 1 minute. And well done on that. And when we say that taboo topic should not be said, that is, religious topic should not be said, you should not emphasize on any particular religion or system. Whichever books that you have read, your favorite book, you just mentioned that, you say the author of that. Yes. And that is, you should not sell anything to the audience over here. You should not be biased on particular politics, religion, or particular stuff. And well done, you have attempted it well. You showed the courage to stay here for more than 1 time. Toastmaster Sharmin, I think you did not hear the question properly. It wasn't guys gossips more than girls. It wasn't guys gossip more than girls in Toastmaster. Volume wise, I believe girls are more in gossiping. It's my personal thing. But anyway, though you started, you did not build the curiosity initially. However, people always remember when you finished the whole stuff. You did it very well. You built that. You built your case very well, and you pulled the audience. Audience were attracted. Hugo were involved in that. And well done, excellent. After a long time, I have seen a very well table topic from your side. Toastmaster Raj Mohan. Raj Mohan. Okay, sorry. Okay. Raj Mohan. Yes, it is after a long while we are seeing you here, but still you came. I think you were trying to escape from the Toastmaster table topic, but no. But still you came, and with practice, that is, though I have seen many of your table topics, you were doing very well. Maybe after we lose the touch, a little bit of nervousness will be there. Our brain cells will not connect with. But anyway, you showed the courage. You came in and you have spoke. But you should have crossed that 1 minute. It would have been very well. And that's all. It's a well session, entertaining. Thank you very much.
3 minutes 5 seconds, and your elevator Toastmaster Hasim took 3 minutes 39 seconds within time.
Thank you. There won't be any voting, is there? I request Birdmaster to give out the report.
Yeah, actually, the bird parade we totally used 26 times today. During the round robin section, we used 24 times, and Chiyomori used once while he was speaking, and Jojo also used the bird in his speech. On the TT section, no one used the bird. That's it.
Thank you. With the grammarian to give the grammarian's report.
Hi, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
There have been great usages during the meeting. I'll just go through a few of them. One of the usages were whisked through to the airport. Of course, when you tame the sharks. Then welcome to this exuberant Toastmaster. And we were at the pedestal that no one could reach us. And you drive the nail on the coffin, and your marks will go for a toss. Now, few expressions where I think it would have been improved. Do you like to go on vacations? I would say, do you like to go on vacation? And I given her all I have. I guess the correct usage should be I gave her all I have, or I had given her all I have. And feel those atmosphere. I guess it should be simple, feel the atmosphere. That's it.
I guess the outcome for the report.
Good evening, Toastmasters.
Good evening.
Generally, there weren't much of act or filler words except Toastmaster Roshan used 2 act words, and Hashim used 2, Shirley used 1, and a few other filler words. That's all.
I request the timer for the report.
We started the meeting at 7:14, late by 14 minutes, 4 minutes, and the opening address Toastmaster Dilip took 6 minutes 16 seconds, slightly higher. So from there, opening address Toastmaster of the day Jairam took 7 minutes 12 seconds, both 2 minutes more than the scheduled time. So Birdmaster Ritin finished the show within 1 minute 16 seconds. He saved us just 36 seconds. And road dropping session took total 6 minutes. So, and I have given the project speeches and table topic speeches and evaluation is also.
Now, all the characters that I mentioned, Tom, Jerry, Mickey, all these characters were born in 1940s, years back. But as time flew, these characters did not age. These characters still remain young. Just like that, let us all be young at our hearts. Now, with this note, let me welcome a Toastmaster to evaluate our whole meeting. Please welcome a charismatic personality, Toastmaster Naveen.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
It's nice to be standing here after maybe a couple of years. This was a really nice meeting. I attended full meeting after a long time. And to give general evaluation report, yes, we started only 3 minutes late, which is really good, but we can cut that 3 minutes also. Today's Sergeant Atam, she informed well about snacks, washroom, everything, but she didn't guide you to walk that way to washroom, although she informed. portion is at the end. It will be better if you just show by hand which way you have to go. Then our president. Presidential address. It was not president. Presidential address. It was. He informed about Sharjah Book Fair, and he explained a nice story about an old man and positive thinking. I hope all of us got some good message from that. All of us will be more positive in life. Stop grumbling for everything. Toastmasters address, I'll come later. Then we had a nice word, imperative. It will be better if we keep that word. I was not able to see from this. It's a nice word. Wordmaster explained it properly. And he gave proper uses how to explain with a sentence how to use it. It would have been better if that word was linked with today's theme of day, but it's not really necessity. And it was a nice word. But it would have been better if it is a bit known word. Most of us were not aware of this word, and at least I have not heard it earlier. So if it was a bit known word, then when we are using, we will start using it frequently. But everyone, during table topic, I think everyone used this word, and that was a really good thing. Coming to speech, that I don't have to evaluate. Evaluator has already evaluated it nicely. But before the speech, objective was not read. Or I missed. If I missed, that is sorry for that. But during a speech, I was totally lost. What is the objective of the speech? And then we had a very good educational session by Toastmaster Sujal. He explained properly about debate, what all is done during that. He used nicely this board to explain opening, rebuttal, closing, and question answer. He handled superbly. Table topic master, Leo Sunny, he explained nicely what all is there during table topics, and he had nice topics also, which almost everybody was able to speak on. Table topics evaluator has already evaluated all the table topic speakers very well. Only thing I just wanted to suggest Toastmaster, now he is guest, Raj Mohan. Why you abruptly stop?
Even I was not.
You were doing really well. You started with very good opening, good body, and suddenly you stop. But sometimes it happens. In fact, I thought you were doing the best table topic, and suddenly you stop. Evaluator Toastmaster Karthik, very good evaluation, good suggestions, and you controlled the stage podium very well. Your movements were very nice, you were very confident, Evaluator Toastmaster Hasim, you explain table topics really well, what is expected from each speaker. Your style was very confident. You evaluated everyone really well. Sometimes I felt you are a bit too critical. May not be right, but that was my feeling. Now, coming to Toastmaster update. Did you enjoy all of you, did you enjoy today's meeting?
Yes.
Commentary. Let's give a big round of applause. Toastmaster Day, you asked us to laugh on ourselves, right? And love the life. And then you taught us buckle speech as well, right? I don't know how many of you learned that, but it was really nice. You took us throughout the meeting very well. You took us in past also, although some of us wanted to become bachelor again, but unfortunately you before starting you said no, it is not possible. Sometimes you were not audible, and maybe it would have been better if you were using mic, but sometimes it happens. Overall, we enjoyed today's meeting, and I want to say thank you again. Thank you to you for taking us through this journey today. Over to you.
For the award and closing ceremony, I call upon our VP Education, Toastmaster Dilip.
Toastmasters guests, good evening.
Good evening.
Give me that one word. How you felt today? Excellent. Yes. Prior to wind up, let us take some feedback from our guests. Shall we start from our guest, Ashik?
Do I need to stand up or?
Yeah.
Thank you. I think it's a nice session, honestly speaking. When I came in Dubai, I think it's the first time I had an opportunity to speak, although I had a couple of before, but that was not so open, because normally when you come, there might be a crowd, talking to you. Sometimes they ask a question and then you have to reply. It happened not to know, it happened when normally we meet once in a year with the employees and they talk and we have to listen and we have to reply as well. So overall, I enjoyed a lot, but still I'm struggling with the format, which I hope if I'm going to become a member, then I will hopefully understand the whole concept behind and what is the objective of this Toastmaster as well. So I enjoyed a lot.
See you again. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, today's session was very interactive. The project speech was really awesome, presented very well, and he does look like a jury. Damn well.
Well, this was the first time I attended. As I said, Toastmasters, it was interesting how it flows. Could have been a little better in my sense, things go. Well, I saw something online, but then it's just a few video clips, and I searched online. But this was being here is a different thing. So if you put anyone there, you struggle in terms of what you have to say, and you forget things when you have to say in front of even a smaller crowd. I can imagine thousands of people. So it was interesting. It's a good thing that comes by practice. So I see you guys have practiced a lot. So keep it up.
See you again. how you look at cloud?
There are new faces. I can still remember other cross-masters leading us. Actually, all the speakers and very well, they did very well, and I'm sure I plan to come again and continue my journey with Toastmaster Club.
Now, any other business? That beautiful trophy goes to. Prior to that, I request our guest Amit on the podium, please. The winner for the table topic speaker, any guess? Madam Toastmaster Sharlene. So, we will wind up the meeting here. So, we will have a closed debate session after this. So, we will have a photo session. Then, we will have the closed mock debate session for our members only. Thank you so much. Have a safe drive. Good night.
Come for the photo.
Thank you.